Hi there, students. To pack off, a phrasal verb. To pack somebody off somewhere, or to pack somebody off to somewhere. This has the idea of sending someone away with their belongings and for a long time. I was packed off to boarding school for 3 months and only came home during the holidays. So to send somebody away somewhere, usually abruptly, without ceremony, and irrelevant of their wishes and despite their protests. The company packed me off to their branch in Bhutan. It was either go to Bhutan or resign from my job. Okay, so I didn't have a lot of choice about it. At 9 p.m, I packed the kids off to bed. It's time for bed, whether you like it or not. We packed the kids off to my parents for the weekend. Phew, we've got rid of them. I packed the children off to summer camp and had a month to enjoy on my own. It's like sending them into a temporary exile. He packed his elderly mother off to an old people's home. Not very nice. So to pack somebody off, to send them away without their consent, with their things, for a long time, or even perpetually. I was going on holiday, so I packed my dog off to a kennel. Yeah, it's like to ship somebody off somewhere, to send them away suddenly. When her parents discovered she was pregnant, they packed her off to her aunt in Scotland to have the baby. I hate the shame of it. In noble families, the first son normally inherits the land and the estate. And then the second one is packed off to the church. And the third son is usually packed off to the army. Okay, and if there are more sons, they pack them off to different professions. So, to pack someone off, to send them away, despite their protests, for a long period of time, and to send them with their things. So, after the scandal, they packed him off to Madagascar and got rid of him. So notice, to pack somebody off, this is a regular verb and it is separable. They packed him off, he was packed off. So, pack him off, separable. The him goes between the pack and the off. Okay, so that's the position for it. Okay, as a phrasal verb, generally phrasal verbs are fairly informal. I think I'd probably give this something like a 4 informality. I don't think I would use it for a formal writing, and a semi-formal probably not as well. Let's see, more formally, to send away, to send into exile, to send to a place. I think I would just use send more formally. And then the origin is quite clear. To pack your suitcase when you go on holiday. So to pack somebody's suitcase for them and send them off, send them away. Okay? So to pack somebody off, to send them away with their belongings, not listening to what they have to say, so it's not voluntary, and for quite a long time. Yeah, so I think I'm going to pack the kids off to bed. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To pack somebody off somewhere or to somewhere.